Hi, it's Kate, and welcome back to Casual Comfort. If you want your fall outfits to look polished without feeling complicated, there's one color palette that's almost impossible to get wrong: beige. From soft knits and tailored trousers to classic trench coats and warm camel tones, beige creates that effortless, expensive-looking feeling while keeping your wardrobe incredibly versatile. Today, I'm sharing 7 easy beige outfits for fall, and I'll show you how to make monochromatic dressing look interesting by mixing shades, textures, and proportions. Let's get started. Beige knit layers. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to wear beige, head-to-toe tonal dressing. Pair a soft beige knit sweater with matching wide-leg trousers and beige loafers. The outfit is simple, but the monochromatic color palette immediately makes it feel polished. The secret here is texture. Add a beige woven bag and gold hoop earrings for warmth and a little shine. If monochromatic outfits sometimes feel flat to you, don't worry about finding the exact same shade. In fact, slightly different tones of beige usually look better. Think oatmeal, sand, cream, and warm beige. Together, they create depth while keeping that beautiful minimalist feeling. This is the perfect outfit for a coffee date, shopping, or a relaxed fall day when you want to feel comfortable but still pulled together. Beige trench and denim. Some combinations simply never need updating. A beige trench coat over a simple beige turtleneck and light wash straight-leg jeans is one of them. The denim makes the outfit feel casual, while the trench instantly adds structure and sophistication. Finish with beige Chelsea boots and a leather tote for a classic autumn look. This outfit is especially useful because every piece can be worn separately. That's something I always recommend when building a wardrobe. Don't just ask whether you like a piece, ask how many outfits you can create with it. A versatile wardrobe gives you more options without requiring more clothes. Camel sweater dress. There are days when you simply don't want to think about what to wear. That's when a sweater dress becomes your best friend. A camel beige midi sweater dress creates a complete outfit in one step. Add brown low-heeled boots, an oversized scarf, and a leather clutch, and you're ready to go. The warm camel tone gives this simple silhouette a luxurious autumn feeling without needing bold patterns or complicated accessories. If you want to define the waist, you can add a slim belt. If comfort is your priority, leave the dress relaxed and let the fabric create a softer silhouette. The key is choosing a length that works with your boots. A midi hem that falls just above or around the boot creates a clean, uninterrupted line. This is quiet luxury at its easiest. One beautiful piece, a few thoughtful accessories, and almost no effort. Beige Blazer Set. For a more polished look, try tonal beige tailoring. An oversized beige blazer paired with cream straight-leg trousers creates a sophisticated outfit that works beautifully for the office, lunch, or a fall dinner. Beige loafers keep the look comfortable, while a structured handbag and delicate gold rings add a refined finish. The important thing with oversized tailoring is balance. If the blazer is loose and relaxed, keeping the trousers relatively clean and straight prevents the whole outfit from feeling oversized. And don't be afraid of different shades. A slightly darker beige blazer with cream trousers creates much more dimension than wearing one identical shade from head to toe. This is also a great example of why neutral colors are so useful. You can change the blouse, shoes, or handbag later and completely transform the same outfit. Beige cardigan and wide-leg trousers. This outfit is all about relaxed comfort. Layer an oversized beige cardigan over a simple tank and pair it with beige wide-leg trousers. Add white sneakers for a fresh, casual contrast. A woven beige handbag and long gold necklace finish the look beautifully. The reason this outfit works is that the proportions are intentionally relaxed. Instead of trying to make every piece fitted, let the cardigan and trousers create a soft, flowing silhouette. But here's the important part. Keep one element simple. If both the top and trousers are oversized, a clean tank underneath creates a visual break and prevents the outfit from feeling too heavy. This is an ideal weekend look, comfortable enough for errands and coffee, but polished enough that you still feel dressed. If you're enjoying these beige fall outfit ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Casual Comfort, give this video a like, and leave a comment below. Tell me which look you've loved so far, and I'd also love to know, are you a fan of head-to-toe neutrals, or do you prefer adding a little color to your fall wardrobe? Now let's continue with 3 more ways to make beige look anything but boring. Beige turtleneck and tweed skirt. For something a little more feminine, combine a fine knit beige turtleneck with a warm beige tweed midi skirt. The beauty of this outfit is in the textures. The smooth knit feels soft and minimal, while the tweed adds structure and visual interest. Brown loafers keep the look grounded, while a leather belt defines the waist. Finish with classic pearl earrings for a subtle, elegant touch. This is a great example of how to wear one color without looking like you're wearing a uniform. The trick is to let texture replace color contrast. When your palette is simple, materials become much more important. Knitwear, tweed, leather, and metal accessories each catch the light differently, creating a richer overall look. It's an especially beautiful combination for crisp fall mornings, lunches, or a casual office. Beige wrap coat. And finally, let's talk about the ultimate fall layer, the wrap coat. Start with a simple cream tank and beige straight-leg trousers. Add beige ankle boots and then layer a warm beige wrap coat over everything. The wrap silhouette naturally creates structure at the waist, while the longer length gives the outfit that elegant, elongated feeling. Finish with a leather handbag and one simple gold ring. This is one of those outfits where every piece is uncomplicated, but together they look incredibly intentional. And that's really the secret behind effortless style. You don't need 10 statement pieces. You need a few versatile basics that work beautifully together. Beige may seem simple, but that's exactly why it's so powerful. The secret to making neutral outfits interesting is not adding more color, it's adding depth. Mix warm and cool beige tones, combine different textures, and play with proportions. Try a chunky knit with tailored trousers. Pair soft cream with camel. Add leather, tweed, or woven accessories to create contrast. And most importantly, don't feel like every shade has to match perfectly. A wardrobe built around beige gives you something incredibly valuable: options. You can dress it up, dress it down, add black, denim, burgundy, olive, or chocolate brown, and everything still works together. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Casual Comfort, and tell me in the comments which beige look you'd wear this fall. Thank you so much for watching. Stay cozy, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.